This is the file which we want to convert into PDF. Click on Control I. So the shortcut run. The PDF is created as my report 2. Click OK. The folder got opened. My report 2, which is again we have the PDF. Today I will show you how to create a PDF file from Excel files within a single click or using a shortcut key. So for that I have a folder which is named as PDF files, and inside that folder I will create an Excel file. Let's give the name macro. Let me open that. First of all, we will go to developer tab, and if you are not having the developer tab, right click somewhere, customize the ribbon, then click on developer tab, then OK. So we'll go to developer tab, then click on Visual Basic, insert module. So in here we need to paste the VBA code of converting Excel file into PDF. So I have the code already here in a text file. This is the VBA code. I will copy this one and paste it in the OK. I will give you this text file in the description. You can download the text file. Then after that we will save it. Saving as macro free workbook, click yes. So we will click no for saving it as a macro Excel file. So in the dialog box we will click on save as type Excel macro enabled workbook, then save. We'll close this window, then Control S, save the Excel file. So now this macro Excel has the VBA code saved in it. So we will minimize this one. This is the first file which we created, and this is the second file which we saved it as macro enabled worksheet. We don't need the first one. We only need the file which is saved as Excel macro enabled worksheet. The macro Excel is already opened in the background. We will minimize it. Then whatever the file we need to convert into PDF, let that be open. Like I have already a payslip already here. So we will run the code to get it as a PDF file. So for that we will go to developer tab, then click on macros. See, the macro is taken from the Excel sheet which is minimized in the background. So we will run this file, run. So it shows like the folder path doesn't exist. So we will go to the macro, then developer tab, and we will edit it. So this is the path where the PDF file is going to be saved. Because I want to save that PDF file in this folder, I will copy this folder location and paste this location here. Put a slash also at the end. So anyway, you will need to edit this code as well. Like wherever you want to save your PDF files, you need to go to that folder and copy the path and paste the location here. That's all you need to edit in this code. Then save it, close again. So we will go to that file which we want to get the PDF. Macros, run the macro. PDF will be saved into this folder, and while we are clicking OK, the folder will be opened. So we got the PDF file in the folder which we already give the location. Open. This is the file which we got the PDF. You can make it more easy, like you can go to the macro Excel and click on the macro. In the options, you can give a shortcut key for running the macro. Maybe I can give the Control I, convert PDF file. This is an optional thing. If you want to give the shortcut key, it will be more easy, and the description is also optional. Click OK, close it, save it. This is the file which we want to convert into PDF. So by clicking here, you can make sure whether this part is going to be in a PDF format. So we'll click here. Okay. No need to go to the macros now. You can click on Control I. So the shortcut run. The PDF is created as my report 2. Click OK. The folder got opened. My report 2, which is again we have the PDF. Close it. Let us try again. Sample PDF. Make sure this is the area we want to take the print of. Control I, which was the shortcut we used to run the macro. Then my report 3. We have the PDF file. So that's all. It's a very simple thing. With a single shortcut, you can convert any Excel file into PDF file. I will provide the link to the text file and the sample Excel file which I created as a macro in the description. You can download it. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.